One of my most successful videos was about a similar product from Airwick. So yeah, it got 220,000 views and counting. Every day I get new views on it. So that was really horrible. I didn't even talk in it. I just messed around and opened it. So yeah, let's do an unboxing and teardown. I got it like a month ago, but I didn't have the time to open it and see what's inside. It was a present from the supermarket, hypermarket, whatever you call it, Kaufland. So, Johnson Family Company, up to 2 months of fragrance. Yeah, if you're setting it in slow mode. Glade Automatic True AA batteries. One Glade Automatic refill. It looks like this, or should look like that. Here it's in Romanian. It's not in English. What? I'm not going to translate that. Here it's all European languages, no English. Okay. So let's see. Ooh. It's a big fellow. And it's all assembled, ready to go. What? Should I press this as is? No, it should have that piece of plastic or paper under the battery, but let's see. No, it couldn't be that simple. Oh boy! They did this! I actually drilled the hole in the in that Airwick model. I drilled a hole in it so I can hang it. And now this has the feature. Oh boy. The things you learn in engineering. How do you open this? So it has a hinge here. So it has to open like this. Ooh. Okay, it's all configured properly. Here's the can. It's Relaxing Zen, trademark. And you can set it to minutes. Oh, 36 minutes. That's the longest period. And then it sprays 1 or 2. I think 2. Maybe I leave it off. Even in off, it should spray if I press the button. So let's see this one. Not rechargeable, blah blah blah. I didn't see this brand of battery before, Raymax. Okay. Oh, and if you want to take it apart, it has those funny bits there. Then I'm not going to take it apart in this video. This is really short now. I just take out this piece of plastic and let's see if it works. So it's in off mode. And let's see if the button activates it. No. Well, that's a bummer. Because I'd really like to use it like that. To have just a spray when I press it. So let's not spray the camera. I'm going to turn it on. Like that. And then... Okay, then it sprays. But I have to activate the timer. And that's not... The smell is quite nice, but I don't want this. This is stupid. Oh boy. I will figure out something to just make it activate when I push it. Yeah. I would have to take it apart further. But right now, let me see if I can find my tool. Where is my tool? All the bits that open this security whatevers. Oh boy, I don't know where I put it. I'll have to find it and make another video. But yeah, until then, here is all the features I just showed you. This is nothing. This is probably where you put the motion sensor when you have another model, a more expensive one. And yeah, maybe I can find... Can I find it? Come on. I know I had it somewhere. Do these have those triangle things? No, just square. I swear I put it here somewhere. Oh well. See you next video then.